Hi my creative friends, I'm glad to see you again in my creative channel. Now I will show you how to make hair accessories. This is from ribbon, 3 kinds of ribbon, and I give pearl. Beautiful, isn't it? I hope you like it and enjoy making it. And don't forget to press the bell button and put like, subscribe and comment my video. And now we prepare the item for making the accessories. The materials are ribbon, scissors, lighter, hairpin, pearl, thread and needle, flannel, glue and glue gun. The first step, you take a ribbon and you cut the ribbon the weight of 2.5 centimeter and the length of 40 centimeters. Okay, and you cut here and you melt like this. Take a thread and needle and you sew from the end of the ribbon here until here, until the end of the ribbon here. Okay, and you pull. And form a flower. Like this. Take one pearl and you sew the pearl in the middle of the flower. Okay, like this. Take hairpin and you take the flannel give the glue and you place. Okay, you give the glue here and you place the flower and the hair accessories has done. Thank you. Bye bye.